Welcome to channel guys. How to install Lenovo ThinkPad 16 as camera driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to type. Go to first URL. So you can see this is manual driver update. Go to camera, integrated camera driver. Click to download. Downloading is start. You can see one downloading in the process. After single click to open. Then yes, next, I accept agreement, and then next, select the install, then next, then click to install. Now this is extract first driver, then install automatically. Wait few seconds. Then you can see this driver camera driver is installed. Just click to and then finish it.